Hey, amazing learners, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for a super fun story adventure? Today, we're going on a magical journey to discover the secret of singular and plural nouns. What are those, you ask? Well, singular means just one of something, and plural means more than one. It's like having one friend versus a whole group of friends. Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a bright and sunny meadow, lived a happy little cat, Yash. This cat loved to chase one red-eyed ballin all day long. See, one cat, one ball. Those are singular nouns, because there's only one of each. But our cat was a bit lonely. It wished for more friends and more toys to play with. So, the cat made a wish upon a sparkling star. The very next morning, when the cat woke up, it couldn't believe its eyes. Instead of one ball, there were now 3 red balls. And it wasn't alone anymore. 2 more fluffy cats had joined the fun. We went from 1 cat to 3 cats, and 1 ball to 3 balls. We just add an S to make them plural. Isn't that neat? But wait, the magic wasn't over. A friendly wizard appeared with a big, wobbly box. He told the cats, "If you can guess what's inside, you can have it." The cats meowed excitedly. "What do you think is in one box? Let's help them." The wizard opened the lid, and out popped 5 beautiful pass boxes. Each one a different color. Wow! When a word ends with an X, like box, we add ears to make it plural. So, one box becomes many boxes. The cats were having the best day ever. They played with the balls and chased each other around the colorful boxes. Then, they saw something fluttering in the sky. It was one beautiful butterfly. It landed gently on a flower, but soon, it was joined by a whole swarm of colorful butterflies. Look at that. For words that end in Y, like butterfly, we change the Y to an I and add is. One butterfly, many butterflies. What a magical sight. Our story shows us how easy it is to change a singular noun to a plural one. Most of the time, you just add an S, like cat to cats. Sometimes you add AS, like for box to boxes, and for words ending in Y, you change it to I's, like butterfly to butterflies. You're all noun masters now. Let's do a quick recap. 1 book, many. That's right, books. 1 fox, many. You got it, foxes. 1 puppy, many puppies. Excellent job. You see, learning is an adventure, and you're all fantastic explorers. Keep practicing, and you'll spot singular and plural nouns everywhere you go. Thank you so much for joining our story adventure today. I had so much fun with you. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning journeys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.